Hi everyone, and happy Tuesday. I hope you've had fun yesterday and found the material interesting. And what I've asked you to read for today is material and primary sources that have to do with Christianity and the rise of Christianity in European society and European culture. And as always, I'm trying to explain why I assign to you the readings that I assign. So the question is, why study the rise of Christianity in a course that officially, formally begins in the Middle Ages? Well, this is because European society and culture, especially European society and culture in the Middle Ages, are a Christian society and culture. So the question is, how did this society become so? And this is what you are going to learn having done these readings. So here are three important points that you should remember as you're reading the material for today. The first point is about the growing pains of Christianity. Christianity did not have an easy beginning. The first 3 centuries of its existence, Christianity was persecuted by the Roman authorities. It was suspected by the Romans for various reasons. The first reason, and you can guess this reason after our discussion yesterday, is because it was a new religion. Again, there is this suspicion towards anything that is new in Roman culture, because what is new and is not tested by time, you have no experience about its potential effect, is potentially dangerous. So that's the first reason. The second reason is that Christianity was suspected for being politically seditious. Why? Because it talks about equality, right? The kind of message that comes up from the Gospels is how there's no need for poor and rich people. Class doesn't matter. The here and now in society does not matter. All people are equal, right? It's a message of love and equality. Very, very different from the underlying structure of Roman society, which, as you now know because you've done the readings for Monday, is a highly hierarchical society. So it was suspected, Christianity was suspected as being potentially politically seditious, dangerous, that it would topple down the political structure. Now, the second point that you have to keep in mind when you're doing the readings is that the persecution that Christianity and Christians went through during the first 3 centuries of this religion's existence became a very important part of the Christian pathos. And in fact, eventually, the persecution of Christians during the first 3 centuries strengthened this religion and brought followers, Christian followers. There was this admiration towards these people, Christians, who withstood persecution and preferred to become martyrs than renounce their religion. And that actually brought Christianity a lot of Roman followers that became Christians. So this very difficult part in the early existence of Christianity actually becomes a part of this religion's identity, a very important part of its identity. The third point that I would like for you to remember is that absolutely, and I mean absolutely, no one could guess that by the end of the 4th century, Christianity would be the official religion of the Roman Empire. What's the significance of moving from being a persecuted religion to being the official religion of the empire? Well, there's tons of significance, but first of all, it means that to be a Christian suddenly becomes an advantage. It becomes a social, a political, and a financial advantage. So suddenly you see the elite classes in Roman society converting to Christianity because it actually helps them advance in that society. So these are the main points I would like for you to kind of keep in mind to establish your framework as you're doing the readings for today. I'll see you later.